Kinong yalam jong All India Trinamool Congress haka arpun rutrik unaitung arhajar arpuar kilalet ban penlong ya kejingi ki Hakhmat jong yang dorbar tauan keri India kepada nak nong ba Delhi. Bandawa nak sorkar pedeng ban pendam no eksos skular penbet put hapadeng kejela Meghalaya bat Assam. Bat kumjo bandawa nak sorkar pedeng ban pendrung no ekaktian khasi bat garo haka schedule jong keriti sin syarri. Ya kini kejing hi Hakhmat jangka parlimen dalit benishim benta de ginong yalam ka AITC ha ka balai don lang unong yalam ka liang persyak yang dorbar thawan ke Meghalaya u Dr Mukul M Sangma u presiden ka AITC Meghalaya u ba Charles Pengrop i MLA ke AITC ke bekentup ya u ba George Bilengdo badu Zanit Sangma bat kibai-kibai. Kinong yalam ke AITC gladawa nak sorkar pedeng ban pendam no gejing te sekular lane ka memorandum of understanding ye penbet put ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya. Namar la yasoi ke sekular klam gejing menjur ne gejing hunlang joginong song ki basa akathan kaput. Ka AITC gladawa ru nak sorkar pedeng ka belayalam nak BJP ban pendrung no ka ketian khasi bat garo ha ka schedule. Namar kedai kejing angnuat jong iwei nong song gejala Meghalaya kenang ba anla ban penne bat yada ya kejing long repan. U Dr Mukul M Sangma uladawa bagi sorkar pedeng kedai ban pensyash kipat ba gejala Meghalaya halor kanu kenong rem bagi sorkar pedeng ke penslem ban pen urlong ya kejing dawa jong kipat ba gejala Meghalaya.
So we are protesting to draw the attention of the government of India to take cognizance of the sentiment of the people of the state of Meghalaya in respect to the agreement which has been signed between the two state governments, that means the government of Meghalaya and Assam, to resolve the long pending interstate border area dispute. Well, you are aware that there has been areas of difference between the two states along the interstate border. Now, any agreement that is being worked out to arrive at the solution must be acceptable to all the people, to all the stakeholders. And this was the precise reason why the people of Meghalaya expressed their the determination to urge the government to scrap the proposed agreement. When we are saying that must be acceptable to all the people, means it should be acceptable to the people of Meghalaya as well as people of Assam. Here in the instant case, what has happened is that the areas which forms an integral part of our Khasi states and the areas where our people have stayed, lived for time immemorial are being pushed to Assam by this proposed agreement. Or rather the agreement which has already been signed between Assam and Meghalaya government and which is pending with the government of India for amendment of the Northeastern Reorganization Act. Now therefore, if these particular sentiments are perceived to be falling on deaf ears, people have reason to feel that the government of the day is insensitive to the sentiments of the people and are anti-people. That's why this unacceptable border pact between Assam and Meghalaya government must be scrapped. The overall vibrant diversity that we have as a nation revolves around the aspirations of our people to preserve and protect our identity, which revolves around also our language. Now there has been a persistent demand from the people of Meghalaya for inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. Now, having done all the necessary due diligence to qualify for inclusion in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India, we do not understand the reason why there should be further delay for the government of India to take action on this and complete this whole process for inclusion of this Garo and Khasi language in 8th schedule. This is inconsistent with the aspirations of our people, particularly the youth. You understand, the whole in the era of this globalization where people are looking at spaces of jobs all across the country, and also when you have the youth who are aspiring to offer themselves to serve the state, to serve the nation. inclusion of these languages in the 8th schedule provides a space or rather a platform for level playing ground for the youth.